Tonight we have the New York Yankees versus Shohei Ohtani and the Angels. Gary Sanchez gets the scoring started in the first inning with a home run, solo shot, just raw power. Looks like he hit it off the end of the bat, but it still goes out. Next up for the Angels, we have Jose Iglesias with a booming homer to left center field. Now you're going to notice something in these home runs. It looks like every pitch, it's the location. It's like it's right down the middle of the plate. Look at that. I could have hit that. Might not have gone out of the park, but I could have hit that ball. It's just, there's no movement. It's just flat. Here comes Judge with a 2-run homer, the deep center field into Monument Park. The guy is so big and strong. It's ridiculous. He just crushes it. Perfect swing. It's out of here. Here comes Shohei Ohtani. Boom! Number 27 on the season. The dude is just so strong. But again, look at the location of the pitch. At what point do you start going, okay, look, it's right in the wheelhouse. Where he's so strong, just knocks it out of the park. At what point do you just start throwing the ball in the dirt or outside and just say, okay, we're going to frustrate you, start swinging at bad pitches. Because anytime you throw the ball in his wheelhouse, he crushes it. It's ridiculous. And I noticed that Jose Iglesias is always there to greet him. Good luck charm, or does Jose just like to get the camera time? Andújar, who hits a home run, opposite field, solo shot, puts the Yankees up 6-3. A lot of home runs in this game. Ball not moving much. Coincidence? I don't know. But again, location. Where's the location of it? Now here's Shohei Ohtani again. Oh my God. Ball gets out in a hurry. But watch where the pitch is. And he's so damn strong. Look at it. That bat speed is incredible. What an amazing player. 28th homer of the season. He's enjoying life. Yankees go on to win the game 11-5. Shohei pitches tonight, Wednesday night. We'll see how he does. Can he stop the Yankees in their track? I don't know, but he's had a great series hitting-wise. 3 homers so far for Shohei Ohtani.